To truly master an indicator, you need to do more than just understand how it works. You need to determine the perfect combination of features that aligns with your trading style. Are you a scalper? How do you pinpoint those short-term opportunities to enter and exit profitable trades? Or maybe you're a swing trader. How can you determine when exactly to close those longer trades that stretch across days? And what if you thrive on trading against the trend? The question remains, what precise combination of features and settings will amplify your strategy and maximize your profits in the long run? To help answer this question, our Signals and Overlays toolkit includes 4 presets and 5 powerful filters. In this video, we'll break down each one, revealing which features might best suit your trading needs. So stay with us because you really won't want to miss what we uncover here. First, let's add the Signals and Overlays toolkit to our chart. Now click the gear icon to go into settings. One of the first options you'll notice is presets and filters, which is set to none by default. Presets are tailored combinations of features based on different trading styles, while filters are used to remove unnecessary signals based on specific functions or overlays within the indicator. Let's start by taking a closer look at the Trend Trader preset. The Trend Trader preset brings together the trend catcher, the smart trail, and confirmation signals to create a powerful sidekick for your analysis. This preset enables traders to spot early trend changes with the trend catcher, confirm established trends using the signals, and leverage the smart trail feature as a trailing stop for entries. Combined with candle coloring, these features make this preset ideal for anyone taking a trend trading approach to the markets. Next, we have the scalper preset. This preset uses the reversal zones, confirmation signals, and the gradient candle coloring feature. It's a combination made in heaven for traders looking for opportunities on short-term moves in the market. The reversal zones serve as excellent exit points and help ensure the price isn't too overbought or oversold, while the confirmation signals validate shifts in trend direction. The real magic, however, lies in the gradient candle coloring. As the colors gradually transition from red to green, this feature offers insight into each bar, allowing traders to enter and exit scalping positions with remarkable precision. Up next, we have the Swing Trader preset. This setup is for those who prefer to hold a single trade over longer periods, rather than spending hours glued to the charts. It leverages the Neo Cloud overlay and confirmation signals, with an algorithm designed to focus on long-term opportunities, making it less sensitive to short-term price fluctuations. The Neo Cloud is all about confirming well-established trends and keeping traders in those trades for as long as possible. Paying close attention to the Neo Cloud step-up and step-down signals is crucial for effectively utilizing this overlay. And finally, we have the Contrarian Trader preset. This is designed for traders who want to go against the prevailing trend, aiming to capture the absolute highest and lowest points in the market. What makes this preset unique is that it's the only one that utilizes our Contrarian Signals mode and Contrarian Candle coloring. This combination is highly effective at pinpointing market tops and bottoms. The reversal zone also makes a return here, allowing you to identify general exit areas or gauge market volatility. In this preset, the candle coloring only turns green or red when a signal is detected, providing real-time alerts for possible highs or lows. After this initial color change, the candles gradually transition back to purple. If the market hasn't started to reverse by the time the candles return to purple, it may indicate that a reversal is unlikely, prompting traders to consider exiting their positions. Calling market tops and bottoms is extremely difficult, but if that is part of your strategy and you're looking for tools to help improve it, this preset might be exactly what you're looking for. These are just our 4 presets, but there's more. The indicator also comes with filters. They allow you to eliminate certain signals based on a feature within the indicator. For example, if you enable the Smart Trail filter, the indicator will only show signals that align perfectly with the Smart Trail direction. The same applies to the Trend Tracer, Trend Catcher, and Neo Cloud filters. One unique filter here is the Trend Strength filter. Now this is where the magic happens. The Signals and Overlays toolkit is constantly calculating multiple market factors to determine the strength of the current trend. This allows the indicator to provide you with a reading of the trend strength right there on the indicator dashboard. And when this filter is active, the indicator will only display a signal if the trend strength is above 50%, effectively cutting out the noise and eliminating weaker signals during choppy market conditions. Because here at LuxAlgo, we understand it's not just about making trading easier, it's about making it smarter, sharper, and more precise for everyone. Keep in mind that when using filters and presets, some other features within the indicator may become locked and unable to be changed. This is for simplicity and to prevent confusion. So, if you want to customize the indicator and its functions even further, make sure to set the presets and filters to none. We hope these presets and filters serve as a solid starting point to discover which features best complement your trading style. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to create a video specifically covering how to use each overlay in depth.